This week, we're looking at a brand new limited edition backpack from Pioneer Carry that is versatile enough for weekend travel or everyday carry. First, we'll check out the bag's specs, and then we'll pack it up twice, once for a weekend trip, and then for a typical day at the office. So feel free to scroll around the video as you see fit. But before we get into any of that, thanks so much to Pioneer Carry for sending me this bag. If you love this thing as much as I do, be sure to snag one for yourself using the affiliate link in the description, as it helps out the channel. The Pioneer Ray Pack comes in at 17 inches by 13 inches by 5 inches for a total capacity of 14 liters. The bag comes in one colorway, the black you see here, and it's limited to only 200 units, so you might want to jump on this one quick if you're digging it. The backpack is made with Pioneer's own Mandarin 840D, which is their premium fabric made from 100% nylon. The bag also features those big, chunky, high-end YKK Vislon zippers you know and love from all of Pioneer's bags. The Ray Pack is going to run you $219 US. So now let's take a quick look at all of the backpack's pockets and features, starting with the subtle Pioneer branding on the outside of the bag, which I absolutely love. There's an external luggage tag on the left side, which is just a cool little touch you'll find on all of Pioneer's bags. The front of the bag features two large button pockets for things like bottles of wine, umbrellas, or other accessories. You'll find two tote-style handles on the top. The back has nicely padded 10mm EVA shoulder straps, along with a large luggage pass-through. The main pocket has some info about the bag that is stitched into it, which looks really cool. In here, you'll find a small zipper pocket, a small open pocket at the bottom, along with a very nicely padded laptop sleeve with a false bottom for up to a 17-inch laptop. So now that we've checked out the bag, let's take a look at how I'd pack it up for a weekend trip and then for a typical day at the office. Remember, everybody packs differently, and it's totally up to you on how you pack it out, so try to envision what you would bring along while watching. So we're going to start things off with a compressible packing cube, and the one I have here is from the Container Store. And the reason we're using a packing cube in this week's video is because the Ray Pack is a top loader bag, so it's much easier to put all of your clothes into a packing cube and then just kind of slide it into the top of the bag. And then the first item of clothing I'll bring is this half button-up shirt from J. Crew. I just love the color of the stripes on this. Next, I'm just going to bring a plain white tee, and the one I have here is from Comfort Colors, and these fit great. Lastly, for shirts, I'm going to bring this oversized cropped t-shirt from Uniqlo. I'll also be bringing along 3 pairs of Bombas socks, as well as 3 pairs of boxer briefs. And these are new ones that I just got from Calvin Klein, and they have that microfiber, so they're super comfortable. I'll bring a pair of gym shorts for lounging and to sleep in. Along with an extra pair of pants, and these are from Western Rise. This is their travel pants. These are really nice. They're super lightweight, extremely packable, and really easy just to bring along on the trip. Next, I'll bring along my laptop. I'll also bring along my Nintendo Switch Lite, which is one of my favorite gaming systems of all time. Anyone out there have the Switch 2? Let me know what you think of it. Next, I'm going to bring this small toiletries bag from Cavu. I really like this one for a short weekend trip because it's kind of like a pencil case. It's super small, but it's definitely going to fit everything you need for your weekend travel. Next, I'm going to bring along my chargers for my computer as well as my phone. I'll also bring along my AirPods. I'll also bring along this Blueberry RX bar, as it's just nice to have this snack with you when you're traveling. I'll bring my field notes along with a pen. And lastly, you can't forget your passport. So that's pretty much how the bag packs out for a weekend trip. Now let's check out how the bag packs for everyday carry and a typical trip to the office. First, I'll bring along my laptop. Next, I'm going to bring this slim pouch from Air, and this is going to be for all of my tech needs. So all of my chargers and cords will go in here for the day. Next are my pair of over-ear headphones from Sony. I'll also bring this Nintendo Game & Watch. I always like to bring this on the train. It's super nice. It has Mario 1 and 2 on it, and it's just a nice way to pass the time when commuting. I'll also bring along my field notes, as well as a pen. I'll also bring along this bento box from Rusby, and this will house my lunch for the day. Next, I'll bring along a blueberry RX bar, and this is great just for a snack. I'll also bring this water bottle from Swell, and I really like this one because you can bring hot or cold liquids in here. So I usually start the day with some coffee in here, and then I'll drink water throughout the rest of the day. I'll also take along this umbrella, as weather is kind of unpredictable this time of year. And that's pretty much how this thing packs out for a typical everyday carry or a trip to the office. And that's going to be it for this week's video. If you know this channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Pioneer Carry products, and the Raypack is a welcome addition to their lineup. It is such a durable bag, and one that I think you can get a lot of use out of through everyday carry, weekend travel, quick trips to the grocery store, or all of the above. It's a little pricey, but you'll make up for it by the amount that you will use this thing. But what do you think of this backpack? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video at all useful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable this week.